Kevin here on behalf of Simple Tech Reviewers, today doing a unboxing and quick overview of the Gigabtye G1 GeForce GTX 970 graphics card. Going over the quick specifications here, we have a PCI Express 3 slot. The core clock is at 1178 MHz, that's a stock core clock, but since this is the Gigabtye G1 series, it is overclocked out of the box at 1329 MHz. We have 1664 CUDA cores. We have a memory clock of 7010 MHz. We have 4 GB of GDDR5 memory with a 256-bit interface. We have 5 ports total on the back of the card, 1 HDMI, 3 DisplayPort, and 2 DVI ports, and it is using Gigabtye's WindForce 3 cooler, HDCP ready, and this card is about 16 inches long. Alright, let's get to an unboxing here. Here's the packaging itself. Again from Gigabtye. Here's your flex display supporting up to 5 monitors at the same time. We have a little intro of the WindForce 3 cooler with copper heat pipe technology. We also have illuminated LEDs which glow blue, and we also have a overclocking software called the GPU Gauntlet. Opening the box exposes another box which is black. Here's the graphics card itself. I'll put that off to the side for now. Go through some of the accessories you get. You get Gigabtye's signature black packaging. Inside you get two 4-pin Molex to 6-pin power cable adapter in case you're using an older power supply. Got a Gigabtye's quick install guide. You get another one of these two Molex to single 6-pin connector. We have Gigabtye's driver CD, but you should go to the NVIDIA site and download the latest drivers. Other than that, that's it for the packaging. Okay, going to the graphics card. Here's the graphics card itself. We're using a non-reference CPU cooler. This is the WindForce 3 cooler, as I mentioned earlier. We actually have 3 separate fans on the top. With we have a single, as you can see here, you have a single heatsink above the GPU, as well as another heatsink above the memory memory blocks there. On the back here you can see the 2 DVI connectors, as well as your 3 DisplayPort and your HDMI port there. On the side you have a 6-pin power connector, as well as an 8-pin PCI Express power connector, and this has support for both 2-way and 3-way SLI with these SLI connectors here. On the back of the card we have a metal bracket here covering the PCB. On the back here you can see the copper heat pipes that protrude out of the heatsink, and they all come together near the middle. And lastly, we have your PCI Express 3.0 connector to there. We will install this into our gaming PC and we will report to you some of the performance benchmarks that we experience. Again, this is Kevin on behalf of Simple Tech Reviewers. Thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to comment, subscribe, and thumbs up.